Hey guys, welcome to Sanguine Swaz. I'm Swastika and today in this video I'm going to share my experience doing sugar wax. Yes, you heard it right, sugar wax. So in the college a few months back, me and my benchmate, we were just talking about saving, waxing, like which one is better, like how girls talk. Yes, so at that time she suggested me to try this sugar wax at home. Like she also tried this sugar wax at home and she said that her skin felt really good after it. So I was thinking doing this since a very long time, and yeah, so today I'm going to try it. So yeah, before going, what I want to say is I'm not an expert, I'm also not a professional, so this is also my first time. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Are you guys excited? Yeah, you guys are excited, I know. So let's go. So first of all, I am using 1 ball of sugar. Then I'm using 1/4 ball of lemon juice. Like I kind of squeezed maybe 2 or 3 medium-sized lemons to get that amount. Then I'm using 1/4 ball of water. So I'm using the filtered water. Then I'm going to take 2 forks and then stir the whole mixer for a while. And I'm going to put the whole mixer into the flame. I'm stirring the whole mixer while cooking. I think it's time to take out the mixer from the flame. Since the color is really dark than I've imagined, I think I cooked a little bit more. Anyway, I'm just going to pour the whole wax into a plastic container. Now I'm just going to let the wax cool down. So I'm going to keep it aside for a few hours. The wax looks like this. So I am doing the whole waxing thing. Yes, I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. I am doing it as I know. So I'm just applying the whole wax in the opposite direction of my hair growth and I'm pulling it towards the direction of my hair growth. I don't know if it's right or not, I'm just doing it. And I can see few of my hairs coming out on the wax. The wax is getting really sticky. I don't know, it is stuck on my skin and I cannot pull it off, like it's too painful. The wax is like too much sticky. And I'm applying a trick. Yes, I'm taking a polythene and I'm just cutting the polythene into pieces like I'm showing in the video, small pieces. Then after that I'm going to apply the whole sticky wax into my skin, and I'm going to take a piece of that polythene and I'm going to dab it into the wax and I'm just going to pull it off, and it works. Yes. So I am done with the whole waxing thing. I have cleaned up and changed. Now I'm going to apply the aloe vera. Though every hair didn't come out, I don't know what went wrong, but some of the hairs came out, so I'm applying the aloe vera onto my skin. If you have the energy to try this at home, you can do it, and make sure you do not overcook it like I did, and share your experience with me in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.